What?
Hey, it's iMark. We're going to make another eye report. Look at some chicken coops today. Production chicken farm. Now they're raising table birds, broilers, right?
Yeah.
What, you got 4 houses here. We don't know how many chickens they got in them.
5,000 to 10,000 a house.
5,000 to 10,000 a house, huh? Just pulling in. Oh, we got dogs. We're going to have to watch the dogs. Got our dog with us. They look like pretty good dogs. I bet Layla would play with them. What do y'all think? That might be the best thing to do. Hello, pup. Hello, pups.
All these are grain feeds.
Grain feeders?
Yeah, they go run through the chicken.
They're pumping feed now. We'll just leave her for a minute. She might get out. I doubt it. Oh, we got some eggs working here.
We got some full-grown chickens in here. These are about ready to
Those are real eggs.
go to the farm.
They're cooking eggs.
Well, let's look at these. Oh my goodness. They're chickens. Lots and lots of chickens.
How you doing? I talked to Sammy.
We're just taking some pictures and they go.
You walk first. Walk that way. Just start walking that way.
Huh?
Walk that way.
You want to walk on down, or is that it? Not much else to say, is there?
These deals
There,
here,
show me. Start over.
the screw deal right down in the bottom of this feed tray brings the feed from over there, which comes from those tanks outside. And it comes down through these screws and it runs it through there and it fills these feed trays up.
Okay.
The water here is just a water tube with nipples on the end. They just sit up and suck on the bottom. It's just got water coming out of the bottom when they touch it like that. They leave these down so long, so much during the day, and then all of these are on cables. If you'll follow these cables, everything's on cables and it gets lifted to the roof. See, all these get lifted up at a certain time of the day.
So they cut the water and feed
They cut
off.
the water and the feed off. They control everything. They can make these chickens be little bitty or they can make them giant. Yeah, there's eggs in there. Now leave it alone.
Let me get a picture of them drinking. Well, that's a tour. Thank you for watching.